Example number 6.1. Let's understand the question first. A brass wire of length 4.5 meter with cross sectional area 3 into 10 raised to minus 5. तो यहाँ पर एक वायर है विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ ब्रास. क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया मतलब अगर हम लोग वायर को इस तरीके से कट करेंगे और ये वाला एरिया जब देखेंगे सो इट इज़ सर्कल. So that area is given as 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter square, and the length of this wire is 4.5 meter. Okay. What else is given? And a copper wire of length 5 meter with cross sectional area 4 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, so for copper wire, area is 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 and length is 5 meter. Now are stretched by same load. Now both the wires are stretched by same load. The same elongation is produced. Okay. Find the ratio of Young's modulus. So how you will remember the formula of Young's modulus? It is F lal. See, F L lal. Capital L will be in the numerator and small l will be in the denominator. Just remember this. Same for this brass wire, F lal. Okay. Now since this is for copper wire, I'll write C in the subscript and here I'll write B in the subscript. Since we have applied same load, okay, that is force, weight applied, and elongation is also same for both the wires. So here the length of the wire, this will be capital L, that is the original length, capital L. So let F be as it is because same load is applied, means same amount of force is applied on both the wires. Capital L is 5, cross sectional area is 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 and elongation is L, that is same amount of elongation in both the wires because same load is applied or same force is applied. यहाँ पर F as it is, capital L brass wire के लिए कितना है 4.5, area is 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 and elongation let it be as small l. Now what is asked? Find the ratio of Young's modulus of brass upon copper. It is mentioned, so I'll keep brass in the numerator and copper in the denominator. I'll write the formulas. F 4.5, 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 L. Here F 5, 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 L. L will get cancelled. F will get cancelled. 10 raised to minus 5, 10 raised to minus 5 will get cancelled. Now what is left? 4.5 upon 3 and 5 upon 4. So how will I write this? 4.5 into 3 upon 3 into, इसको जब न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाना है ना तो रेसिप्रोकल करना. 5 upon 4 की जगह लिखेंगे 4 upon 5. So I can make this 4.5 as 45. Since point के बाद there is only one digit, so you multiply by 10 in the denominator. We have 3 already over here. We have 5 in the denominator. देखो 3 और 5 already denominator में थे. न्यूमरेटर में से पॉइंट निकाला इसलिए डिनोमिनेटर में 10 डाला. और 10 क्यों? क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट है इसलिए 10 into 4. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 12 upon 10, that is nothing but 1.2. So we got the ratio of brass wire with copper wire as 1.2. This is the answer.